ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು, ರೋಟರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್, ಎಸ್ಡಿಎಂ ಪಿಜಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಅಂತರ ಕಾಲೇಜು ರೋಟೋ ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯು ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 9 ರಂದು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಎಸ್ಡಿಎಂ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಸುದ್ದಿಗೋಷ್ಠಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಟರಿಯನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂ ವಸಂತಪೈ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಅವರು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗೋಷ್ಠಿ ನಡೆಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 9 ರಂದು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿದ್ದು ಫೈನಲ್ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 16 ರಂದು ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನ ನೀಡಿದರು.
Gathered here to announce about a very important function or important event that we are going to have in Mangalore. That is what is called the Roto Quiz 2018. This is an intercollegiate quiz competition which is being held for the past 3 years. This quiz is being held together in association with the Rotary Club of Bangalore and our STM Rotary Club of STM College of Postgraduate of Business Studies. This is a very well-known quiz. Only thing is that in Bangalore it has been here for the past 3 years, but in Bangalore this quiz has been this is the 59th year that they are having, so it is one of the longest running quiz competitions in India and probably throughout the world itself. So we are very happy to be associated with the Rotary Club of Bangalore. That's also one of the biggest clubs in Karnataka, a very prestigious club, and the quiz will be held on 9th of September in STM College. The members of the Rotary Club of Bangalore, they come, the president, the secretary, and the quiz master also is from Bangalore. So we don't have any role to play as far as the questions of the quiz and all is concerned. But we do most of the groundwork here that is required for holding the quiz in.
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗೋಷ್ಠಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಟರಿಯನ್ ಆರ್.ಕೆ. ಭಟ್, ರೋಟರಿಯನ್ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಮಯೂರ್ ಸಿರಿಕರ್, ರೋಟರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕಮಿಟಿಯ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ರೋಟರಿಯನ್ ವಿನೋದ್ ಡಿಸೋಜಾ ಇನ್ನಿತರರು ಹಾಜರಿದ್ದರು.